Hello everyone and welcome back to this course that is History of Microsoft Dynamics 365. So this is module number 8 where we will see major changes in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016. In previous module we have seen the major changes in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015. So let us now see in this lecture brief introduction about Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016. Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016 was released in the fourth quarter of the year 2015. It was branded as Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016 and it has next generation of CRM apps for Outlook. So this is how a typical CRM 2016 app for Outlook looked like, and you now had a filtered note control as well. So along with that you can now manage and store your contextual document and private documents in your OneDrive for Business directly from CRM application. And many such platform level changes were made. So let us now see what were the key improvements that has been done in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016. So much awaited mobile offline support is now possible. It allows partners to use Dynamics CRM on mobile even without immediate internet connection. For instance, in the roaming or in places with no internet connection. So it was now possible to access your CRM data where there was no mobile internet connectivity available. So now the next generation of CRM app for Outlook. This was one of the key feature of CRM 2016. This will improve the tracking of emails, adding context from within an email and improve mobile functionality as well. And now you enjoy enhanced Excel experience. It was another integration improvement. This feature will help executives and particularly salespeople to do things like calculate commissions or manage a sales forecast inside CRM application without opening an external Excel application. You can invoke business rules from business process flows, and now you can have hybrid server-side synchronization. That is, CRM 2016 introduced support for hybrid scenario of synchronization between Dynamics CRM online and Exchange on-premise. Now you had improved knowledge management. Enhanced knowledge and global content enables organizations to document and distribute a single source of knowledge throughout their teams. New authoring and management process simplifies the process to quickly share the best practices and see contextual solutions to frequently encountered issues. So these were the improvements that I knew from my personal experience that were done in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016. So let us now see what were the key features that were added in CRM 2016 version. Now you enjoy Cortana integration. Cortana integration is being extended, previously only being able to search for records and to create contacts and meetings. Now Cortana integrations will embed sales activities, accounts and opportunities too. And many new mobility changes were done in CRM 2016. Microsoft continues to enhance the mobile capabilities for tablets and phone with following features. Now you enjoy next generation Cortana integration to drive proactive interactions with voice driven CRM, ability to create tasks based on mobile apps, mobile application management with Microsoft Intune. You also have guided user experience. So this release has also brought a guided user experience to help speed up the training and user adoption by showing the new users how to use CRM. So you now had OneDrive for Business and OneNote integrations with CRM. So now it was possible to gather the feedback and distribute surveys to your customers with the help of voice of the customer surveys. You also have unified services. Microsoft CRM 2016 delivers a single unified solution for customer services with following remarkable features. Uh, Integration of Parature knowledge management in the spring. It added new field service capabilities because of acquisition of Field 1 and a native knowledge management solution in CRM. Interactive Service Hub. It has also launched a new interactive service hub, new feature called Office Delve in CRM. Office Delve is powered by Office Graph. So now it was possible to create Office 365 groups for CRM. It has also added a new bulk data loader and a new feature called relevance search. Let us now see what were the limitations of CRM 2016 as well. Up until now, Microsoft Dynamics had their CRM and ERP modules separately. So if a customer had to purchase the CRM and ERP modules, then they have to buy two separate applications. If both these applications need to communicate with each other, then customer had to lay down the integration framework and carry out these integration tasks, which was cumbersome and time taking and costly as well. And there was no provision of inline editing of records from Git. Customer does not have ability to choose between out of the box CRM modules and solutions. So till now, whenever you subscribe a Microsoft Dynamics CRM instance, you by default get sales, marketing, and service modules in your Dynamics CRM instance. Whenever you want to utilize field service and project service automation functionalities, then you have to first subscribe a Dynamics CRM instance, and then on top of that, you have to import field service solution and project service solutions onto that instance. You can never have access to only field service or project service applications without subscribing to a CRM instance. So customer sometimes felt that even if they don't utilize any of the out-of-box CRM sales, marketing, service modules, so they are paying for it unnecessarily. So those were minute things that Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016 was lacking. So let me now draw a general conclusion. One of the favorite aspect of Microsoft Dynamics CRM was it has grown and matured itself from time to time based on the customer feedback and the industry needs. One of the one of our favorite aspect of Microsoft Dynamics CRM is and how rapidly it evolves and remains cutting edge technology thanks to the continual development allowing its customers to stay ahead of the competition to pass this improved feature to our clients. So a general conclusion can be drawn out that till now Microsoft CRM application has evolved and it is a rapidly growing and changing technology, and without a doubt it is able to fulfill all the customers expectation and need. And as per Microsoft, there will be something new coming to this platform every 6 months. So every year they will be doing two changes to this platform. So this technology itself is growing and changing so fast. So but naturally there will be always shortage of sound technical and functional professionals. So on that note, I will wind up this lecture, and in our next and last module we will see major changes in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 365. That is the latest version of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. I hope that you have enjoyed this course till now, and I expect to see you all in the last module as well. Till then, bye bye and take care.